Hey, today everybody, we're going to fix a common Mazda Miata problem. And I'm not sure exactly how we're going to fix it yet, but we're going to fix it. And it's the console lid. The hinge was like of a plastic design with one spring at the back. And you know how I know it's common? Because not only is that one broken, but the other Miata has the same exact problem. So let's dig in. First off, we're just going to remove the console, which is very simple. 2 screws, one screw on either side. Unscrew the shift handle and then pull it out around your levers. Just pull it on out. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, I think the mini hinge is going to work. I need to look around and find some mini screws. I'm feeling lucky today because in my stainless screw bin I've got 4 macro screws that'll go good with a macro hinge. So it's about to be fixed and we're just talking minutes here. Mittens! It's Mittens the shop cat. Oh, Mittens. And check it out. All fixed and it closes perfectly.